It is now time to upgrade to the Mini 4 Pro. I got the Mini 4 Pro with the RC2. Short story, I had a Airbnb listing shoot this past weekend. I hit a tree. I was like having an oh shit moment. At the time of the at the location, I had to get duct tape and super glue, which actually helped out, and I was able to continue on filming throughout the weekend. So shockingly enough, this Mini 3 Pro was able to still fly with a super glued arm and duct tape. You could actually repair, find spare parts online to fix it, to replace the arm. But at the time of the shoot, I was like, yeah, I gotta, figure something out real quick and then. So there you go. Super glue still flies. Got some great shots still. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Mini 4 Pro. That's your usual manual with the sticker. This is the RC2. grams, 249 grams. Good thing is I got a spare battery now. I could use the Mini 3 Pro as a backup when needed. The reason why I decided to go ahead and go with the Mini 4 Pro is because of the omnidirectional active obstacle sensing. Joysticks here, from the back is where they were. Then we're going to go ahead and turn the remote. First time setup. Turn on the drone also. Press and hold so we get all green lights. It's gonna make a noise. Go ahead and select English. Agree to terms and conditions. United States. Next. Setup. This is where you could set up your Wi-Fi. Next. Time. You can change your time zone. I live in Arizona, so I'm going to choose Arizona time. Press next. Okay, go ahead and activate. Once you put in your profile, and just go through the screen. Left dial, gimbal tilt, right dial, camera zoom, record button, and shutter. Return from home, and then switch flight modes. Normal. Starting DJI. Here's your intro. Skip that. Go ahead and press next. Join. Next. Activate that. And then we go ahead and update that. So yeah, they give like a 1 free year. They were having a special deal going on. It was like a free gift. So if you need refresh care, is definitely useful, especially if you do shoots as a side gig or a job that you know you're going to be. Sometimes obstacles come out of nowhere. You can crash your drone a lot, and then so refresh care helps out a lot with that. So once you're finished with setting up the controller, you'll be able to see the camera feed from the drone. You don't even have to fly the drone. You can just do some shots like this. And if you want to go ahead and start flying, which I'm not going to do right now, you go ahead and press these two down in to start the propellers, and then you'll go ahead and click on check complete.
Takeoff.
You hear a takeoff. I'm not going to fly, obviously, but I'm going to go ahead and to turn off the propellers, we're going to go ahead and do the same motion with the joysticks. Hold it down, it stops. Alright guys, that's the new Mini 4 Pro that I purchased. Go ahead and check it out, and until next time, have a good one.